everyone! Ever wondered how EV chargers come to life? I am Una, and today I'll take you on a tour of the N+ Manufacturing Center to reveal the inner workings of our smart factory. The N+ Manufacturing Center spans 12,000 square meters and offers the full range of products, including AC chargers, DC chargers, and power modules. We first arrive at the reception hall of the N+ Manufacturing Center, where staff have prepared full protective gear for all visitors, including anti-static clothing and dust-proof shoe covers. The production areas, especially the smart production lines, maintain strict requirements for environmental cleanliness. Passing through the anti-static equipment and air shower, we now enter the 3-story large-scale AC charger smart production line. This line is equipped with industry-leading intelligent manufacturing systems, designed for the efficient and rapid delivery of high-volume orders. The production line integrates smart assembly, automated testing, automated aging tests, and intelligent packaging, ensuring both high production efficiency and product quality. What you're seeing now is the industry-leading fully automated AC charger aging test line, capable of aging up to 224 units per batch with a daily capacity exceeding 1,800 units. Continuous, rigorous testing ensures that every charger leaving the factory meets optimal performance standards. Notably, this aging line incorporates green intelligence. Its regenerative load technology reduces electricity consumption by 85%, achieving a truly efficient and environmentally friendly operation. Moving up to the 4th floor, we arrive at the Agile production line, dedicated to handling small batch AC charger orders. Unlike the standardized rhythm of large-scale mass production lines, this line offers greater flexibility, enabling rapid and adaptive scheduling. Each step follows standardized processes with clear operational procedures and quality standards. The floor is equipped with 5 assembly lines, each capable of independently handling small batch orders or working in coordination through the intelligent scheduling system. This standardization foundation plus flexible scheduling approach allows us to quickly respond to small, frequent orders while maintaining high efficiency even when demand fluctuates. For customized projects, the 6th floor is dedicated to a specialized smart AC charger production line. It features exclusive intelligent production lines and a dedicated VIP quality control team. A fully digital production tracking system ensures precision manufacturing and on-time delivery. This allows us to provide strategic partners with a one-stop smart manufacturing solution from R&D to mass production. After touring all the AC charger production lines, we now arrive at the finished goods warehouse on the 5th floor. The chargers neatly arranged here have completed the full quality inspection process and are ready to be shipped worldwide. As a core part of new energy infrastructure, they will deliver efficient and reliable charging services to EV users around the globe. At the very start of the production process, N+ has established a rigorous raw material management system. Dedicated raw material and electronic component warehouses are in place, all managed through an intelligent MES system. This ensures that every material entering production is fully inspected and fully traceable. We first step into the electronic components warehouse. It is equipped with an intelligent temperature and humidity control system that continuously monitors environmental conditions. This prevents performance degradation caused by moisture or heat at the source, forming the first line of protection for the stable operation of core charging components. We now return to the raw material warehouse on the 1st floor. A standardized storage management model is applied here, with scientific zoning and clear labeling from the moment materials are received, supported by an intelligent warehousing system. The first in, first out principle is strictly enforced, minimizing quality loss caused by material overstock. Finally, we arrive at the DC charger production area. The line is clearly divided into 3 specialized sections: small DC chargers, high-power DC chargers, and power modules. Each section operates independently while working in coordination, precisely supporting DC charger production across different power levels to ensure both product quality and production efficiency. Intelligent production systems are fully deployed, from automated material feeding and precision assembly to process flow. Operations are executed by smart equipment according to preset programs. In parallel, in-house developed high-precision testing equipment performs 100% real-time online inspection of key indicators, including output stability and safety protection mechanisms, with a monthly capacity of up to 800 units. The entire production process is fully integrated into the digital MES management system. EN+ is dedicated to becoming a global provider of charging equipment, customer-centric at our core. We deliver premium charging solutions. The new energy era is upon us, and we invite you to join this remarkable era powering motor vehicles to renew the world.